Example 2 naman tayo para sa mga simple curves. So, meron daw akong simple curve na may radius na 120 meters. Tapos, yung angle of intersection ng mga tangent lines ko is 36 degrees. So, ito yun. Pakita natin dito. Let's say this is 36 degrees. Tapos, ang radius ng curve. So, let me draw the radius. Sabi niya, 120 meters. So, drawing natin yon. Yan. Okay. Itong radius na to, 120 meters. Now, syempre, yung curve natin, ang magiging itsura nun, ganito. Now, sabi niya dito, a new curve is to be designed such that the new forward tangent, yung forward tangent itong nasa right side, will be moved out a perpendicular distance ng 12 meters. So, exaggerate natin konti. Let's say, dito yon. So, i-move yung forward tangent and ito daw ay merong perpendicular distance na 12 meters. Hinahanap dito ano yung bagong radius ng curve, no? Yung bagong curve natin, what would be the new radius, ano yung bagong length, at saka ano yung stationing ng new curve na yon. Syempre, yung new curve na yon, ang magiging itsura niya, parang ganito. Okay. Now, para ma-solve to, may kita mo, nung minove out natin yung forward tangent, yung ating tangent distance, nagkaroon ng bagong measurement. Okay? At na-move siya nitong value na to, let's call this x. Based dito sa triangle na to, may kita mo na yung sine ng yung sine ng 36 degrees na intersection, equal yan doon sa 12 over x. So yung x natin, that would be 12 over sine 36. So ibig sabihin, yung bagong tangential distance would be t plus 12 over sine 36. And from our previous example, alam natin that the tangent distance t ay equal sa r tangent of I over 2. Now, given naman yung mga values na yun, so we have 120 tangent of 36 degrees over 2. So, yung dating tangent distance natin, that comes out as 38.990 meters. And therefore, yung bagong tangential distance natin, that is 38.990 plus 12 over sine ng 36 degrees, and which we can calculate to be equal to 59.406 meters. So ngayon, yung r natin, of course, that would be t over, so r new, no? That would be t new over tangent ng I over 2. So yung new radius, that would be 59.406 meters divided by the tangent ng 36 over 2. Which gives us the new radius, which is 182.832 meters. So, sulat natin dito yung ating bagong radius, 182.832 meters. Next is, computin naman natin yung length of curve. So, di ba, ang formula natin para sa arc length is S is equal to R times theta. So, para ma-compute yung length of curve, kailangan mo lang yung R times yung interior angle natin I, i-convert mo sa radians. So, yung length of curve natin, substitute natin yung R, we have 182.832 times yung angle natin na 36 degrees times pi over 180 degrees. So, yung length ng curve natin, this is 114.877 meters. So, 114.877. Next step, compute natin yung stationing ng PT galing sa station ng PC. Kailangan lang nating i-add doon sa 10 plus 020 yung length ng curve. So, ito na yung stationing ng ating terminating point. So, this would become 10 plus 134.877 meters. So, ito na yung mga answers natin para sa example number 2 ng simple curve.
Like mo yung video kung ayos. Pag hindi, pag mo i-dislike, leave ka ng comment kung bakit, ha? Sige na, subscribe.